15 cruise buffet mistakes you need to avoid at all costs. If you're going on a cruise, there's one place you're guaranteed to visit. It's not the spa, it's not the casino. I'm talking about the glorious, chaotic, and tempting buffet. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's where diets go to die with dignity. But here's the problem. As amazing as a cruise buffet can be, there are easy mistakes that can ruin your experience, or someone else's. From endless lines to shared utensil disasters, today we'll cover the 15 most common cruise buffet mistakes that every smart traveler should avoid. And along the way, a few etiquette reminders we wish every passenger knew. Because no, it's not okay to lick the ice cream scoop and put it back. So, let's get started, before the food gets cold. Mistake number 1. Going to the buffet on embarkation day. You've just boarded the ship. You're excited, hungry, and so are the other 3,000 passengers. That's why the buffet feels like Black Friday at Walmart. Families with luggage, unmoving lines, and impossible to find tables. But here's a pro move. Check if the main dining room is open. Many offer a calm lunch with table service and better quality food, without the chaos. Another option is the poolside grill or the pizza station, which are usually much less crowded. Some ships even offer discounts at specialty restaurants on the first day. A little-known secret. The bottom line is clear. Unless you love crowds, skip the embarkation buffet madness and explore other options. Your stomach and your patience will thank you. Mistake number 2. Piling your plate like it's your last supper. There you are, empty plate in hand, standing in front of an endless buffet. Mac and cheese, fried chicken, pizza, shrimp cocktail, meatballs, and that's just your first scoop. Yes, it's all you can eat, but that doesn't mean everything has to fit on one plate. Here's the trick seasoned cruisers know. Small portions. Try a little of everything that catches your eye, then go back for seconds or thirds of what was really worth it. This way you avoid 2 tragedies, wasting food you didn't like, and ending up feeling like you swallowed an anchor. Remember, the buffet isn't going anywhere. You can go back as many times as you want. This isn't a race, it's a marathon. And in this case, the prize is enjoying every bite without regret. Mistake number 3. Skipping the hand sanitizer station. That little hand sanitizer station you just walked past isn't there for decoration. Think about it. Hundreds of people touching the same serving utensils, the same drink handles, the same tongs for the bread. Sharing a buffet means sharing germs, whether you like it or not. Here's the golden rule. Wash or sanitize your hands before touching anything. Don't use your fingers to grab food. Don't double dip that cookie you already bit into. And for the love of all things holy, don't lick something and put it back. Your gut will thank you later. Cruise buffets are wonderful, but gastroenteritis is not the kind of souvenir you want to bring home. Mistake number 4. Stopping at the first station. You see, you stopped in front of the first section of the buffet and started loading your plate with some pasta that looks decent. Classic mistake. Here comes one of the best-kept secrets on cruises. Buffet layouts can be deceiving. What looks like a mirror image on the other end might actually be hiding something special. Some ships put sushi at one end and tacos at the other. Others tuck away the Asian grill to the side and place the cold-cut station in the back. On some cruises, specialty stations rotate daily in different areas. The trick is to scout the whole buffet before grabbing anything. Take a full lap, scan all the options, and only then start filling your plate. Your taste buds deserve to see the full menu before committing. Mistake number 5. Not disclosing your food allergies. You're just about to taste that delicious stew when you realize, too late, those shiny chunks of nuts hiding like tiny landmines. Cruise lines are pretty good at handling food allergies, but here's the thing. They can't read minds. Here's how to do it right. Inform the cruise line before boarding. Once on the ship, don't just mention it to the buffet staff refilling the scrambled eggs. Talk to a supervisor or a chef. Cross-contamination is real, especially with utensils being used across multiple dishes. Ships often have special meals prepared separately if you give them advance notice. They'd much rather make you a safe dish now than call the ship's doctor later. And trust me, the last way you want to get to know the cruise medical center is because of an allergic reaction in the middle of the ocean. Mistake number 6. Forgetting healthy options exist. Yes, there's crispy bacon. Yes, there are 3 kinds of chocolate cake. But if you look beyond the comfort food section, cruise buffets actually have some surprises. Roasted garlic vegetables, fresh seasonal fruits, lean cuts of meat, sugar-free desserts, and even acai bowls on some modern ships. The trick is balance. No one expects you to eat only salads on vacation. This isn't a detox retreat. But adding a few lighter dishes between indulgent ones will help ensure you can still button those jeans by day 5. Here's a tip. Breakfast stations often have the best Greek yogurt and healthy toppings, perfect for building your own parfait when you need a break from the heavy buffet food. After all, vacations are meant to be enjoyed, not regretted. Mistake number 7. Acting like you're at a small-town buffet. Apparently, some people forget basic manners the moment they step on a cruise ship. This isn't your local all-inclusive where you can do whatever you want. You're sharing space with thousands of others, so let's review the ABCs of buffet etiquette. Don't cut in line, we're all hungry. Don't block the entire station while debating between 5 different sauces. Use a clean plate every time you go back for more food, yes, even if yours is not that dirty. And please, don't leave your table looking like a war zone when you're done. Even worse, people who hog tables for hours playing cards while others circle around like hungry seagulls. If you're finished eating, free up your seat. Today you got lucky with a table. Tomorrow, you might be the one desperately looking for a spot to set down your plate of pasta. Mistake number 8. Going during peak hours like cattle to the slaughter. There's an unwritten rule on cruises. The buffet at noon on a sea day is like Times Square on New Year's Eve. People pushing, lines blending into each other, and the constant clatter of plates. But here's the secret seasoned cruisers know. Buffets have golden time windows. Have lunch at 11:30 a.m. when they first open, or after 1:30 p.m. when the crowd thins out. For dinner, 5:30 p.m. or after 8 p.m. are your best bets. The food is exactly the same, but the experience is completely different. And if your itinerary has an especially busy day, early excursions for example, consider using the included room service. Nothing beats having breakfast in your pajamas while everyone else fights over the last waffle. Mistake number 9. Eating like you're being chased. You're on vacation, not in a speed eating contest. And yet, many people devour their food like the buffet is about to shut down forever. Eating fast on a moving ship is a sure recipe for 2 things: indigestion and missed opportunities. The cruise buffet is one of the best spots for people watching. While you slowly enjoy that perfect lasagna, you might catch families trying to take the perfect photo, couples on their first cruise date, or that man who, mysteriously, is back for his 5th round of pistachio ice cream. Plus, eating slowly lets you catch the special dishes that rotate during service. That chocolate souffle that comes out at exactly 2:05 p.m.? You'll miss it if you're already stuffed with pizza by 1:30. Patience, sailor. The buffet is a marathon, not a sprint. Mistake number 10. Walking into the buffet like you just came out of the pool. Nothing kills an appetite faster than someone dripping pool water all over the salad bar. Most cruise lines have clear rules. Shoes and a shirt are required in dining areas. It's not just about looking presentable, it's basic food safety. Here's the smart move. Keep a dry t-shirt and sandals in your pool bag. Before entering the buffet, dry off as if you were stepping into a fancy restaurant, because technically, you are. Your wet swimsuit can wait 30 minutes while you enjoy your meal without getting death stares from other guests. And if you really don't want to change, many ships allow you to order takeout in closed containers. That way you can enjoy your burger by the pool without becoming that passenger everyone complains about on cruise forums. Mistake number 11. Skipping desserts to save calories. You're in the middle of the ocean, miles away from your usual diet, and decide to be strong. No dessert today. But then you pass by the pastry station and that little chocolate fudge cake looks straight into your soul. That's when you admit the unspoken truth. Vacation calories just don't count. Science doesn't say it, but experience does. Cruise pastry chefs are artists working with top-quality ingredients, from perfectly melting soufflés to chocolate creations that look like sculptures. The smart strategy: order small portions of several desserts to share or not. This way, you discover new favorites without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, that passion fruit cheesecake or coconut flan probably won't show up again in your normal life. This is your moment to say yes. The gym will be there when you get back on land. Mistake number 12. Forgetting the drink before serving your food. There you are, with a plate overflowing with delights, finally finding the perfect seat, when you realize your throat is drier than the Sahara Desert. Now you face the dilemma. Leave your precious bounty unattended, or make the epic journey to the drink station with your hands full. Cruise veterans have this figured out. Liquids first, then solids. Before you even touch a single buffet utensil, secure your soda, water, or coffee. Many ships even have self-service drink stations near the entrances. Use them to your advantage. And if you really want to play like a pro, bring a reusable water bottle. That way, you won't have to rely on small cups while navigating the sea of culinary options. Because let's be honest, that perfect lasagna deserves to be accompanied by more than just regret for not planning better. Mistake number 13. Leaving your belongings to reserve a table. You found the Holy Grail, a free table by the window with an ocean view. But before going for more food, you leave your bag, hat, book, and towel as if you're marking territory. Classic rookie mistake on a cruise. The reality is buffets are high turnover zones. Leaving personal items not only shows bad manners, but also risks. 1. Crew moving them to free up space. 2. Confused passengers taking them for lost items. Or 3. Worse yet, them mysteriously disappearing. The solution is simple. If you're alone, take only essentials with you to the buffet, or politely ask a server to watch your spot. If you're in a group, the relay system is key. Someone always stays while others get food. That way, no one loses the hard-won territory. Mistake number 14. Getting lost in the buffet maze. You entered from the left, served yourself salad, then turned toward the hot dishes. And now you're completely disoriented among hundreds of identical tables. Cruise ship buffets are designed to maximize space, not to make navigation easy. The expert trick: use landmarks. Is your table near the pasta show cooking? Next to the column with the blue floral arrangement? 3 tables away from the gentleman wearing the same Hawaiian shirt since Tuesday? Memorize these markers before venturing out for more food. Some modern ships even have numbers or names for dining sections. Use them as coordinates. And if all else fails, follow the smell of freshly baked bread or the sound of clinking cutlery. Eventually, you'll reach your destination, or discover a food station you hadn't seen before. Either way, it's a win. Mistake number 15. Not acknowledging the staff's hard work. Behind that perfect buffet is an army of crew members working tirelessly. Chefs who prepare fresh dishes every hour, waiters cleaning tables in seconds, and staff restocking food almost like magic. Yet many passengers treat them like invisible parts of the ship's furniture. Here's how to stand out as an expert cruiser. A simple thank you, or gracias, with genuine eye contact makes all the difference. If someone especially improved your experience, an extra tip, or mentioning them in the final survey, can really brighten their day. Remember, these employees work more than 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, for months on end, far from their families. Your smile and gratitude cost nothing, but are worth more than anything else. Plus, kindness has a boomerang effect. Crew members tend to remember pleasant passengers, and often reward them with better tables or more generous portions. And those were the 15 most common mistakes that turn a cruise ship buffet from a culinary paradise into a stressful experience. From tactics to avoid crowds, to secrets for navigating like a pro, you're now fully equipped to conquer the buffet like a true expert. Remember, a cruise is about enjoying yourself, relaxing, and making memories. The buffet is no exception. Take smart portions, explore all the stations, treat the staff kindly. And above all, savor every bite without rushing. What was your worst or best experience at a cruise buffet? Share it in the comments. And if this video saved you from future food mistakes at sea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cruise tips nobody else tells you. Now go and conquer that buffet, but this time, do it like a pro. Happy travels and bon appetit.